How much do you actually need to retire comfortably at 60 in Malaysia? Now, let me answer that for you. If I tell you, well, you need 1 million, my answer would not be complete if I do not tell you what retirement lifestyle that you can have for the next 20 years after 60, right? And so here is how to use this AI powered retirement advisor tool to get the answers that you are looking for. So you have your retirement fund, at 60, whatever amount, key that in, and you should know what is the average returns of your retirement fund. 5%, 6% is very common. And then how much you will be withdrawing from a retirement fund, enter that amount, and then of course, inflation rate. Now, with all this information, the retirement roadmap will tell you at what age you will run out of money because it shows you like year after year, year after year, right? And heck, you can even enter another value, say 10 million of retirement fund, and you can repeat the same process, and you can test different yearly spending or monthly spending during these retirement years to see a very different type or kind of lifestyle in terms of how much you can spend every month, every year before your retirement funds actually runs out or not run out at all. Why don't we try something in the middle, like the 5 million retirement fund in 60, right? Again, this AI retirement tool only takes a few taps of your finger and enter a different amount, assumption how much you'll be spending, and it will show you year by year how much your retirement fund balance would be until the point where your retirement fund is depleted or not. And this AI power tool is also capable to answer questions of what is actually enough for you if you were to bring forward your retirement age at, say, 55, 50, or even 45 if you want. Trust me when I say it gives you so many options and angles for you to explore, and it opens up your horizon to prepare and plan for your retirement finances at your fingertips and with one ultimate goal, which is to not run out of money before running out of life. At the same time, to maximize the enjoyment, probably in the first 10 years, 15 years of your retirement, because study shows that people don't really spend as much as they get older. So you want to front load that spending, no matter what you want to do, travel, start a new venture, all that in the early years of your retirement. And this tool can help you plan ahead.